So this is the host here. The host that brings that is for this.
That's right.
He told me about it. Told me about it. So, all right. Is that true? The snake stuff.
Who?
The snake stuff.
Snake?
Yeah.
What are you talking about? Were you here for that?
No, I wasn't.
Yeah. I got tons of snakes.
You do.
Yeah.
Really?
Right before Greg got it, there was my dog was barking at the snake, and up in the attic, you look in that back corner, there's hundreds of snake skins.
It's not as bad as the birds.
Nope, I leave them up there, they eat the mice.
Because you guys like torturing me about birds.
Yep.
Because that was my fault.
Nope, snakes, they can take care of all the mice.
And that dog has been going to everyone, and
Our business is good.
Yes, it is. Certainly good.
Yeah.
the dog. Who's winning? Is that where you get?
She, you know what I mean? Like she didn't want to leave at that time, whatever. Matt does real good putting up all that. Like he deals with. I can tell sometimes when he's going through it, can you? Like it's bothering him, but he don't really get to do much, man.
Just is that where you made the? Is that where you made all that stuff?
Yep. That's from Versatech's Christmas party.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Wow. Good company to work for.
Versatech. Great company.
Yeah.
If you go put your application in, put Justin Shorts as the reference.
There you go.
Guaranteed to get in.
All right. How many times have you won?
Okay. Yeah. All right. What do you see down there?
Yeah, they're out in the middle of nowhere. It's kind of nice because today is getting close to Memorial Day, so I'll see you guys in a bit.